My name is Khaliqul Zaman, and in today's session, our today instructor is Dr. Syed Haroon Ali Shah. Detail of our speaker, Dr. Haroon. Research interest comprises of petroleum geoscience workflow, especially integration of sedimentology sequence, stratigraphy with regional geology, relative sea level changes, and tectonics, especially in Miocene, mixed siliclastic carbonate ramp of Eastern Arabian platform unconventional shales of Paleozoic Qasim formation of NW Saudi Arabia, Miocene Raphel carbonate of South China Sea and sub-Himalayas isotope geochemistry for diagenetic history conceptual modeling. His 11 years career has spanned both academic and industry projects, working in collaboration with Saudi Arabia, Saudi Armeco, Halliburton, Saudi Arabia, Weatherford, Saudi Arabia, Shell Malaysia, and Petronas, King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals, University Technology Petronas, where he worked for detailed core description to fracture mapping on outcrop scale to diagnostic phases, demarcation to porosity types to teaching courses in carbonate sedimentology to labs in microscopy. He has a degree from University of the Punjab, Pakistan, master from King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals, Saudi Arabia, and PhD from Southeast Asia Carbonate Research Center, University Technology, Petronas, Malaysia. Thanks. Now our speaker and instructor, Dr. Syed Haroon Ali Shah, will elaborate about the cover letter.
Okay, great. Thank you, Khaliq, for a very nice introduction. And today, जब हम कल बात कर रहे थे तो I received a lot of requests के we need guidance about the cover letter. So cover letter basically is nothing more than a letter that normally we use जब भी हम कहीं apply करते हैं. If you are applying for a university, if you are applying to some company, they normally ask for a cover letter. Cover letter basically क्या है? कवर लेटर एक ऐसा लेटर है जो आप सीवी के साथ सबमिट करते हैं, और ये सीवी नहीं होता, ना ये रिज्यूमे होता है. तो किसी वक्त हम बाकी चीज़ों को भी देखेंगे कि बाकी चीज़ें इसमें क्या है. तो वी हैव today we will not cover the rest. We just will focus on one thing, and that is the cover letter writing. About others we will have inshallah another day for that. We will arrange another session if you guys like this session. तो हम इसके अलावा एक और सेशन बना सकते हैं जिसमें बाकी चीज़ों को भी हम देख सकेंगे. तो इसमें जो मेन हमारा आज का टारगेट था वो ऑफ कोर्स कवर लेटर है. Okay, meanwhile we have some people coming in. Okay, so we will just focus on what is a cover letter, what's the purpose of it. Then we have the parts of a cover letter, and then we will have example from a geologist because we all are working for the same purpose as we all are geologists. So let's see what is a cover letter. तो कवर लेटर बेसिकली क्या है? आपका जो भी आपने मेंशन किया हुआ है सीवी में, अपनी डिग्री मेंशन की है, अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस मेंशन किए हैं, अपने कोर्सेज मेंशन किए हैं, अपने फील्ड वर्क्स मेंशन किए हैं, उनकी एक आप ये कह सकते हैं कि एक नैरेटिव आपने बिल्ड करना है, उसमें आपने मेंशन करना है और उसको एक कहानी की तरह लिखना है कि जो बंदा भी उसको पढ़े वो उसके साथ स्टिक हो जाए. और आपने जैसे हम अपनी अचीवमेंट्स को एक शोकेस के अंदर या आप इसके अंदर हम अपनी डिग्रीज को या अपने जो भी अवार्ड्स होते हैं उनको रखते हैं, इसी तरह आपने इसके अंदर रिटन में आपने इस तरह करना है कि आप वो तमाम इंफॉर्मेशन जो है, जो भी आपने लाइफ लॉन्ग एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, वो ट्रूली मतलब उसमें आपने कोई ऐसी भी चीज़ फ्लैटरिंग नहीं करनी, उसमें कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ मेंशन नहीं करनी जो आपने नहीं की. तो वो सारी चीज़ें जो आपके रिज्यूमे में है, तो इट मीन्स आपका सीवी या रिज्यूमे you need to be very good, you need to be very strong, and it should also give a way because the guy who will be hiring you, जो आपको जॉब दे रहा है, वो आपको जज करना चाह रहा है, ही इज देयर टू फिगर इट आउट। अगर फॉर एग्जांपल उसके पास 100 एप्लीकेशंस हैं, तो वो ही विल ट्राई कि उसमें से वो 4 एप्लीकेशंस या 10 एप्लीकेशंस जो टॉप की हैं वो उसमें से निकाल ले। तो उसमें उसको जज करने के लिए जस्ट गिव हिम सम टाइम एंड गिव हिम सम thought. So you need to be very good writing skill, you need to be having a very good writing skill, और आपने उसमें हाईलाइट करना है अपनी, अगर आपकी कोई पोजीशन है उसमें, अगर आप गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हैं, इफ यू आर हैविंग ए position, or if you are having a very good award or something, you presented a paper somewhere or something, so mention your arrangement achievements, like आपकी कॉन्फ्रेंस पेपर है, आपका कोई ऐसा काम है जो आप लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं, तो जस्ट ऐड इट। एंड तो पर्पस क्या है? पर्पस ये है कि जो भी बंदा आपको हायर करना चाहता है, अगर वो आपकी सीवी को ना भी देखे और उसको आइडिया हो जाए कि आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, आपकी प्रोफेशनल लैंग्वेज क्या है, और वो आपको एक पेज से ही वो देख ले कि आप कहाँ पर स्टैंड करते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम दी अदर एप्लीकेंट्स। लेकिन एक चीज आप इसमें याद रखनी है कि कई लोग अपनी सारी सीवी को ही छापना शुरू कर देते हैं कवर लेटर में, जो आपने नहीं करना। और आपने जस्ट उसमें अपनी जो हाइलाइट्स हैं, कुछ हाइलाइट्स होती हैं, जैसे आपकी कोई अचीवमेंट्स हैं, आपकी कोई ऐसी चीज है जो आप लोगों को बताते हो, बताना चाहते हो। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम 2009 में एक पेपर प्रेजेंट किया था एटीसी में, फ्रॉम दैट वाज द फर्स्ट वन फ्रॉम पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी। तो मैंने ये देखा कि जब भी मैंने वो लिखा कहीं पे स्टेटमेंट के अंदर, तो पीपल कॉल्ड मी एंड दे आस्क्ड मी, सो इट वाज लाइक जस्ट लाइक माय अचीवमेंट, और यू डिड some work for a society, like you remain a president of PAPG or whatever in your student chapter. So it should be like a story where you start from yourself, and then the company and what they need, and then funnel it up to asking them for a call. So just you need, hello, I need a call from there, I need a call from them or something. So you need to make an interconnecting string of ideas. You shouldn't be सेपरेट आइलैंड्स। मतलब आपने ये नहीं करना कि आपका पहला पैराग्राफ दूसरे से नहीं मिल रहा, दूसरा तीसरे से नहीं मिल रहा। तो इट शुड बी लाइक ए स्टोरी लाइन, इट शुड बी ऑल इंटरकनेक्टेड। And then comes the important part, why they need to select you, and why they need you, what value you will add, what do you know, what you have, what you have in your pocket, what you have in your work, and what you have in your environment, like how you stand up there, why should they hire you, वो आपको क्यों हायर करें, वो आपके अंदर कौन सी ऐसी कैपेबिलिटी है जो बाकियों में नहीं है, कौन सी आपकी एबिलिटी है टीम वर्क में है, या आपने कोई ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट किया है या कोई ऐसा काम किया है जो आपको बाकियों से, योर सीवी रैंक्स, यू गेट 5 स्टार्स, यू गेट समथिंग दैट इज वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट एंड दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आपने उनके बारे में भी बात करनी है, आपने ये भी बताना है कि वो कैसी कंपनी है। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आप किसी बैंक में कवर लेटर लिख रहे हैं, तो आप बताएं कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मेज़ान बैंक है तो इट स्टूड लाइक नंबर 1 बैंक इन द कंट्री। इसीलिए अगर आप किसी ऑयल कंपनी की बात करते हैं तो आप उनकी अचीवमेंट्स की बात कर सकते हैं। मैं आप ओके, सो आपने उनकी अचीवमेंट की बात करनी है, आपने बताना है, लेकिन आपने जो टोन है अपनी वो प्रोफेशनल रखनी है। मतलब आपने यू जस्ट डोंट टॉक टू जस्ट लाइक you talk to your friend, don't do it like this, you should have a very professional and a very focused type of tone कि आपने उनको बताना है कि अच्छा, अगर for example if there is a oil company, you can just mention कि these are your achievements, or you are working in different basins or different and you listen about them, or you read about them, or something like this. So then comes the parts of cover letter. So every time you see something, always try to divide it into smaller parts. It will be easy for you to understand, and it will be easy for you to convey your message. If for example you don't understand the parts, then maybe you gotta miss some of the points, and you might end yourself जो आपका cover letter or CV है, maybe it goes to the trash. So you don't want your CV and your information to go to the trash, so you will just go to the to the parts. So first is your contact information. Of course, the company needs to call you, hello, we are going to hire you or something. And then you need a cover letter introduction. You need the part of it, just like give them a brief overview of what you are, who are you, and what projects you have been working lately, कौन से काम आप कर रहे थे, कौन से फील्ड कर रहे थे, या कौन सी थीसिस पे आपने काम करा है. तो आपने वो इंफॉर्मेशन सारी उनको देनी है. इसके बाद आपने क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट देना है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू नीड टू क्लोज ऑल थिंग्स, सो एवरीथिंग दैट स्टार्ट्स इट नीड टू बी क्लोज. तो उसमें आपने फिर बताना है कि भाई मैं इस तरह आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर ए कॉल, और आई विल लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ज्वाइन योर कंपनी और योरसेल्फ वेरी सून. So here I just try to figure out some of the highlights or parts. So first is the header. In header you just mention your contact information, where you are located currently, और ऐसा फोन नंबर या ऐसी ईमेल जो वर्किंग कर रही हो, वो वाली ईमेल आपने उनको देनी है. फिर आपने बताना है कि किस सिटी से आप बिलोंग करते हैं, कहाँ से आप कॉल कर रहे हैं, या कहाँ से आप ये लेटर लिख रहे हैं. Like for example, if the company is located in Norway or it is located in UK or Saudi Arabia, they need to know from where you are applying. If you are applying from Pakistan, then they need to arrange a visa. If you are applying from different countries, then you need to tell them exactly with very clear tone, with no mistakes in number, with no mistakes in your address or something. And then you just need to mention the HR, the guy who actually advertised the post. Agar, for example, if the post is from HR manager in PPL, you need to mention, if the name is mentioned, just mention the name. If the name is not mentioned, so just write HR manager and directly just write the company name and something like that. Then comes the hook. Hook is basically is the sentence or the combination of a one or two sentences जो आप लिख देते हैं शुरू में किसी भी कवर लेटर के. उसका बेसिक पर्पज ये होता है कि आपने उस लेटर को हुक करना है. हुक का मीनिंग ये है कि फॉर एग्जांपल इफ समबडी रीड्स द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, तो वो सारे पूरे लेटर को वो पढ़े. जस्ट ही डोंट गो टू द फर्स्ट, मतलब वो ये ना हो कि वो पहली ही लाइन में या पहली ही पॉइंट में उसको कोई ग्रामेटिकल या स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक नजर आए और वो आपका पूरा लेटर ना पढ़े. तो आपने उसको जो है वो पर्सनल सिचुएशन बतानी है, पर्सनल अपना सलाम करना है उसको, या उसको जो है वो हुक करना है इस तरीके से, ऐसी पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट देके. फिर उसके बाद आपने कुछ सेंट्रल पैराग्राफ. सो यहाँ पर आपने मेन खेलना है. आपने यहाँ पर अपनी अचीवमेंट्स को जो है ना वो बताना है. अगर आप यू हैव सम मेडल और समथिंग, यू जस्ट नीड टू हाईलाइट दैट वन एज वेल. तो यहाँ पर आप अगला जो मेन होगा वो यहाँ पर आप इसको देखेंगे. इसके बाद आपने कॉल टू एक्शन करना है. आपने उनको बताना है कि आई एम अ गुड टीम प्लेयर एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी टू जॉइन योर टीम, योर फोर्सेस, and then you need to just tell them कि अगर आप कोई मीटिंग, if you want to give a call interview, for example if the employer is located in somewhere in Middle East or somewhere in Europe, then you just mention the time difference or mention that these are my available hours. You can just can call me, give a call, or you can contact me anytime, or you can send me an email or send a Skype meeting or Zoom meeting, whatever suits you. So you need to just mention that, and then you just sign off. Sign off means you just write your name, and at the end you just write your phone, and at the end email as well. Then comes the example. Here we have an example. I just found it. So इसमें the header is missing in this example. You can just use it, but don't copy paste because it will give a very wrong impression for that. तो इसमें आप देखें तो he just mentioned that I am currently planning कि मैं आजकल positions देख रहा हूँ, and I come up with your advertisement from this WhatsApp or whatever newspaper or social media or something, LinkedIn or wherever. And then you just need to tell them your story, the storyline कि मैंने अभी currently क्या complete किया है, because the guy who is reading this paper actually don't know you. So you just, whenever you go to a Springbok, you just tell them, okay, my name is Harun, I'm doing this at University of Baroda, and something like that. So you just need to mention okay, then I did if you have done some special courses, if you have been to the industry, just never miss that chance. If you, even if 1 week internship you have, just mention that, because maybe that little flame or spike can actually give you the job that you need in your market. Then comes the softwares. This is also a significant part, and that's unfortunately missing for some of the cover letters. So you need to mention, if even if you know some graphics, even if you know some Excel, the environment around के मतलब अगर आप PowerPoint भी बनाना जानते हैं, just mention it. So even if you don't have any industrial softwares, just try to mention the softwares like Microsoft Word. You need to mention the softwares like Excel, PowerPoint, or something like that. And then comes the like the if we break up the whole part, we can see that we start with the motivation, and then we start we come with the first paragraph, second paragraph. Even if you have more achievements, you have worked in other things as well, you can also add third paragraph. But remember it needs to be 1 page, not more than 1 page. Don't try to write, or don't overwrite them, because if the guy loses interest, तो वो आपका letter कभी भी नहीं पढ़ेगा. So you need to then mention the closing paragraph, and after the software part, the second paragraph, and then comes the closing paragraph, in which you will mention your technical skills, knowledge, experience, and personality that you can work in a group. And that's why working in a team is important. You cannot work alone in company, and working of your organization. और इसी तरह आप उनको बताएंगे कि मैं फ्यूचर के अंदर वेट करूंगा. और एंड पे, बिल्कुल एंड पे, डोंट मिस द लास्ट part. Just write your name. If you are a petroleum geologist, if you are whatever, you just write it there that you are a geologist or something like that. You just write the name. The rest of the information will be there. So don't use abbreviations. Don't use please, PLS. You need to write complete English. You need to write, don't write slang, because some countries they use slang languages, but in speaking you can use, but not in the writing. तो आपने writing के अंदर कभी भी slang words या casual tone, आपने जैसे friends के साथ बात करते हैं ऐसे बात, you need to talk professionally. Totally, it is a professional thingy. Then comes proper English, of course, and then cover letters. You know, you need to catch the attention. It's just a dry thing. You need to make it something that is eye-catchy, that is grabs the attention. And because you remember, you just have one chance to impress. So this one chance may be the only chance that you need. So then comes at the end, we have the blunders. We have some things that sometimes some people they make blunders like this. For example, you are writing the name of the company and you are not writing the exact name. Maybe you wrote a letter. आपने पहले एक letter लिखा, आपने उसी letter को दूसरी कंपनी को भेज दिया, तो आपने एक कंपनी का नाम लिखा और दूसरी कंपनी को भेज दिया, तो that's total cross at the start. The guy will not be impressed. The HR manager, the person who is sitting there, will not be impressed. Then comes the thing, next thing, that is writing too much. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा कहानियाँ लिखनी शुरू कर देंगे कि भाई मैंने नेचर को एक्सप्लोर किया, या जैसे I just normally see. So you need to be very precise. You need to be very crisp in your opinion. And of course, you shouldn't be writing everything that is available in the resume, just the highlights of it. Just take your resume, print out, and then just try to make some notes, and then try to understand. And identifying your weaknesses, like whatever weaknesses you have, your software. If you don't have software understanding, don't mention it. Don't mention it in the part of because eventually you will learn. आप जब कंपनी में जाएंगे, वहाँ पर chances होते हैं they have trainings, they have workshops, so the chances are there कि आप उसको सीख सकेंगे. Or then don't use I, me, or mine in your speech. Whenever you write your cover letter, don't use these words. They sound arrogant, because you are requesting for a position. You are not giving the position. You are the one who actually is writing. So don't do that. You need to do it very precisely, and don't use any or add any unnecessary information. कोई unnecessary बात ना करें, कोई भी ऐसी बात ना करें जिससे वो बंदा आपका कवर लेटर या आपकी एप्लीकेशन को रिजेक्ट करे. और इससे भी ऊपर वाली जो बात, जो आखिरी बात है, वो ये है कि स्पेलिंग और ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स कोई भी ना हो. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू यूज स्पेल चेक. आप वर्ड के अंदर भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ लोग ग्रामरली यूज करते हैं. इफ यू नीड सम हेल्प आई कैन आल्सो गिव ए short and I just read it out and then I can send it back to you. तो इसमें आपने जो है वो ये कुछ blunders हैं जिससे आपने बचना है. So at the end, I would like to thank all the organizers of the session, Falik and Hamza and Shaisan, for making very beautiful graphics. And of course, our Geology Insight group that is growing. Alhamdulillah, now we have more than 1,000 subscribers on our channel and 10,000 hours and something like that. So PAPG, University of Sargodha chapter. And you need to stay tuned because we are bringing many new things, and we are bringing some virtual field trips to something like talks from the top notch. तो उसमें जो मेन अट्रैक्शन है वो ये है कि अगर आप लोग इंटरेस्ट शो करेंगे then we can bring new things and we can actually revolutionize as people think about our field. We can actually work together and make it happen. Okay, so that's me now signing off, and if you have any questions we can take that.
Sir, some people are asking question in chat box.
Okay. Okay, so hook part is basically as we can go back and see, let me check. Hook part is basically the one in which you actually make connection with them, and you are the one who actually just try to write in your own words. Just read few letters, read few paragraphs, or read few things. Always, it remained always my practice. When I started my own writing, it become very easy for me to get acceptance. It get अगर आप scholarship के लिए apply करें, अगर आप apply करें किसी job के लिए, अगर आप अपने words में लिखेंगे, तो it will be more helpful. And जहाँ पे भी जो statement लिखी हुई है, it's like okay, but you can write better. और इसमें आप जो है वो फ्लैटरिंग नहीं करनी, आपने बटरिंग नहीं करनी, आपने सिंपली जो भी आपको लग रहा है कि भाई मैं इस वक्त आई एम अ फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट एंड currently I have been looking for some positions in some companies. I came through your advertisement and that's why I'm writing to you. Just you need to mention, जैसे आप किसी को कुछ लिखते हैं, राइटिंग करते हैं, ईमेल करते हैं, तो you need to just mention कि भाई आप उसको ईमेल क्यों कर रहे हैं, so that he can get to know you, because the people in the oil company they don't like long letters. मतलब उनको बहुत लंबे कहानियां या जो है वो पसंद नहीं है. Just need to exactly write them. You just need to come to the point कि भाई okay, I saw this and then I'm looking for positions and then I come. So it's up to you. It's the selection of the words. जो आप word select करेंगे वो ही आपको आगे जाकर बताएंगे कि भाई words की selection उसने कैसी करी है. अगर words अच्छे select हो गए तो then the chances are there that and there is no missing verbs or commas or any grammar or any type of spelling mistakes in the first line, because it happened to one of my friend. उसने पेपर सबमिट करवाया, तो उस पेपर सबमिट करवाने के कुछ ही दिनों बाद उसका पेपर रिजेक्ट हो गया. तो उसमें क्या था कि उसने जो पहली ही लाइन है उसमें उसने एक सब्जेक्ट की मिस्टेक की थी. तो यू नीड टू नो कि बाकी पेपर उसका बड़ा ज़बरदस्त था, जब उसने वो रिमूव की then actually, so if the person is not reading your first line, he will not going to read the rest of your document, and unfortunately your document is going to be in the trash. Okay, so then do we have other things? Okay, thank you Nek Nawaz, Haris, Nasir and Zuhaib. Thank you guys for coming in, and walaikum salam to Haris as well. Haris is a very nice and very good student, one of the brilliant students that we had. So we will start. We will see if there is any other question. You can just on your mic and you can ask.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Ji, waalaikum salam. Yes, Qudratullah. Yes.
Can you please have another session on CV and resume as well?
Yeah, we can have another session on CV. If you guys like, we can arrange another session. It's up to you. If you guys keep on coming and bring more people so that more people can get benefit, because we wish each and every one of you get a good position in the industry, get a good position, whatever you want in the future. So we are here to help you and guide you, and we don't charge anything. It's free of cost. We don't take anything from you. So it's just to mention, yes, Khalik Uzzaman,
Thank you, sir.
thank you very much for making this happen. Unfortunately, many people couldn't join because of the time. It's mostly the time of the classes, and that's why we need to. But keep in touch. Agar I see few people. मेरा ख्याल है कुदरतुल्लाह, you are from Lasbela University.
No, sir, I'm from Kirk. I'm doing BS English in Bashar Khan Khattak University.
Okay,
I'm
good,
basically the
good,
villager
good,
of
good.
Nek
So
Nawar.
just
He was
whenever we get an, because it was just short notice, we have to send the application. Even yesterday, I received a request from a multinational company. I have to send resumes of my students. So I just send, and they have acknowledged already. So let's hope few of the students can get a placement in the industry. Similarly, we are trying to bring some industry close to the academics. So we need your help. We need to bring oil and gas, cement industry, mineral industry close to the academics. So that can only happen if you guys, students, are the one who will actually motivate us, because we need motivation, just like we see it in
Yes,
the.
sir, if you can take my suggestion, if you can
Yes.
make this happen, this session on the evenings, like
Yeah,
7 p.m.
yeah,
or 8 p.m.
yes, we can do that.
comfort time, even will
Yeah,
be accessible
yes,
to everyone.
yes. Sure, Kudratullah, we can note down your suggestions, and we can try to implement your suggestions as well.
Yes, sir, we can close the session now. Time
Okay,
is
so thank you very
almost.
much again for all of you for coming in, and from my side is Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir. Allah.
Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz. Thank you, sir, for your
Thank you,
precious
sir.
time.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.